What's your interaction with the mastering engineer? Do you stay in touch a lot during the mixing process? Do you think about mastering while you're mixing and leave some of decision to the mastering, or what's the process on that side?
I try and get. You just want to. You don't want to leave your mixes too limited. You want to give them some room to work, but you want a mastering engineer ideally shouldn't have to do much to your track. There's a mastering engineer who's popular in America called Brad Blackwood, and I can play you a lot of his stuff, and it just sounds a bit louder, and like the louder is making it a little bit brighter. But if it's a great sounding song, he's probably hardly doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
And the mastering engineer should EQ each song so it flows and make sure the levels seem consistent. And the other thing I think a mastering engineer should do is I may hear something a little weird and he'll hear it different. So he might catch my bad hearing, or if I mix in here there may be a weird low end frequency. So I add too much of a certain low end, he might catch it in his room. It's just it's one more layer of safety, or safety and refinement. But